I like French fries. I mean, I really like French fries. When I think of French fries, that golden, crispy, crunchy barb of beautifulness, amazingness, I love it. And every now and again, there's one person that likes to try me for my damn French fries. They can't resist them. Golden, butter, fried cornucopia, beautifulness, crispy, tasty, crunchy. And they tried, but I refused to let them have my French fry.
Sister, what? Oh! Take it on, see you. What are you, some kind of... Just enjoying my lunch.
Sit them down. Sit them down over my fries. They can try it, I would just enjoy it. And if anybody else wants some, they can get it. Why cry? As long as I got my French fry. Try it if you want.